I'm in the heart of the West Wales countryside, just outside Cenarth. And I tell you what, I smell, cheese in the air. Let's go and see the boss. Carwyn, how are you?
Nice to meet you, Chris.
Nice to see you.
And you as well?
Is this the family home?
It is indeed, yeah. My mum and dad came in 1961. They came up from Whitland, 20 miles away, and brought 7 cows with them and walked them all the way up here. Hard times.
So they started here with 7 cows.
Absolutely, yeah.
And now it's cheese factory.
Absolutely, yeah.
A little birdie tells me you're the king of TikTok. What have you been up to?
We're trying to get more and more younger people to enjoy the delights of what we produce here in West Wales. What better platform than to go to something like TikTok and engage with them, have a bit of humour, and tell them what we're doing here in West Wales.
Have we got a TikTok thing we can do now?
We could scrum down, couldn't we?
Scrum down, come on then, let's scrum down. Scrum down, I may have played 52 times for Wales, but I tell you what, if you eat cheese, you can be strong too. I tell you what, yeah, look at the shoulders, look at the shoulders of him, I love it, come on. Well, Carwyn, I know you're a good scrummager now, but the one thing you do better than scrummaging even is cheese. And we've kitted up. It's not a rugby kit, this is a cheese-making kit. And what are we going to do now?
Well, we're going to show you some of the most important parts of getting Golden Cenarth to what it is as a cheese.
Okay.
So we're going to wash this cheese in cider. This is a very ancient process. It was Cistercian monks back whenever they were fasting from meat. So they would wash their cheeses in alcohols to give extra flavour. The result of that was this lovely rind that grew in it, and that's what gives this its character.
So this is from medieval monks?
Absolutely, yeah.
Thank you, if you're out there, medieval monks. Right, what are we going to do?
Well, we'll take a cheese like this one, and you can grab that one there if you want.
Okay, thank you.
We can actually just wet your hands at the tip of your fingers.
Okay.
And then you just massage it like that.
Well, that's it.
What you want to do is get like the bar of soap texture.
All right, okay.
Like do that. You know,
before it pops out your hand. Just before it pops
like
out.
Like a wet, slippery rugby ball.
Well, you've seen me play.
What we've got here is a boring tool.
What do you call me?
It's a boring tool.
Oh, that?
Yeah.
Right, okay. What's that for?
Well, it's to inspect the insides of a cheese.
Oh, lovely. Right, okay. Yes, please.
Right. So I'll put my hand on the top there.
Yeah.
And we will put it into the centre of the cheese. Oh. And we rotate it and just pull it out slowly, gently easing that cheese out. And then you can have a look at that. So
you know now that the cultures are doing their job?
Absolutely, yeah. It's impossible to see the inside of a cheese, really. And because perlas, it's imperative that we have the right amount of bluing into it. We need to have a look inside. And this is a really good example, and it's breaking down nicely. It's starting to go yellow. It means it's...
and the texture as well, you know by the texture?
Yeah, exactly. So what I can do here, give you a little taste as well.
Thank you very much. That's lovely. That is really nice.
So you can just put it back in. This is a magic trick, because we pull it out.
All of that, you don't know you've been there. Where do you buy them from? Because my wife says I pinch cheese all the time. Now, if I could take it from the middle, she wouldn't know any different.
She wouldn't know. It would be the cheese tax.
Oh, come on. I'm off to buy a boring tool. Right, Carwyn, the bit I've been looking forward to, we're here in the shop, and this is what we are talking about.
Absolutely. Here we have a typical Golden Cenarth when it's at its best.
Yeah.
Can you savour that aroma?
Oh.
It's coming up through, and you just can't wait to have a bit of a go.
Do you know one thing that's better than aroma?
I don't know.
Tasting it.
Let's have a taste together.
That's what's better.
So it's quite gooey on the outside, nice and ripe.
Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, that is gorgeous. Awesome. Absolutely gorgeous.
Now we're moving on to a real characterful cheese. This is perlas. You want something that makes you feel small again, and definitely perlas does that because it packs a punch for sure.
Right.
You feel that saltiness, the mouldy saltiness, but it's creamy. It just melts on the tongue, but delivers a flavour all around your mouth.
Oh, a lot more salty.
Yeah.
But
it's a savouriness as well.
Do you know what you want after that? A little grape.
That's it, yeah, perfect.
A little grape, just for the acids to break that down a little bit, and then you can go again.
Definitely.
Oh, that's lovely. Oh, that's really nice. That is beautiful. What's this? We haven't seen this one.
No, this one is a really limited edition. In
Okay.
fact, it's so limited, we're only keeping this for special guests. It's for you, Scott.
For me? Oh.
Yes. This is 5 years old. This will might make you sweat now, okay?
5 years old.
It's 5 years old. It's incredibly powerful.
Okay. I feel like I'm blessed today. Can I try a little bit?
Have a go.
Thank you.
That's totally different flavour.
Oh, I love it.
Do you?
I love it. Carwyn, it's been an absolute pleasure to meet you. I love the process. I love the fact you're championing the Welsh produce as a part of Bidfood. Thank you so much for being a part of the Welsh range as well. So look out for these cheeses. You will not be disappointed.